Hello everyone, welcome back. It's Miss Darcie. Today we are going to talk about Earth Day. I was hoping to do my video outside today, but it's raining, so I'm going to be talking about Earth Day. I'm going to start with a hello song. I always like to say hello to everybody and be able to have everybody be able to connect that way. So we're going to start with I am special, you are special. If you look, you will see someone very special, very, very special. That is me, that is me. Good morning. I want you to think about our planet Earth. And I want you to keep in mind that you're never too little and you're never too young to play your part in helping to keep our Earth clean. So I'm going to talk to you about a couple different ways we can help keep our Earth clean. I wanted to show you something, and you might have this at your house. Does anybody know what it is? If you said a recycle bin, you got it. So we're going to talk about the arrows. There's 3 different arrows. We have recycle, reduce, reuse. They all stand for something. Do you notice how our arrows go in a circle? It means that it's constant, so it keeps going. We're going to talk about recycling and items that you can find around your house that you could recycle. First, we're going to sing a song, and it's called Reduce, Reuse, Recycle. And it goes, reduce, reuse, recycle, 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 reduce, reuse, recycle. It's easy to do because your trash and my trash make up way too much trash. Reduce, reuse, recycle. It's easy to do. Now, we're going to talk a little bit about the items that you might find around your house that you could find to be able to put in the recycle bin. Or maybe you've seen your family members put items in a recycle bin and then take it out to the road where the recycling truck comes to pick it up. So this one is a little song, and it goes, hi-ho the dairy-o, what can I recycle? I can recycle a water bottle. I can recycle a juice box. Hi-ho the dairy-o, what can I recycle? I can recycle a soup can. I can recycle a newspaper. Hi-ho the dairy-o, what can I recycle? I can recycle a cardboard egg carton. I can recycle a pop can. Hi-ho the dairy-o, what can I recycle? I can recycle a milk jug. I can recycle a pop bottle. Hi-ho the dairy-o, what can I recycle? I can recycle a chocolate milk carton. Who here enjoys a special treat of chocolate milk? I can't drink milk, but there are different types of drinks that you can drink that are still a chocolate treat. So I'm going to put on my milk carton and my pop can and my pop bottle. I'm going to take this one off. I'm going to replace it with my juice box and my water bottle. Now there's something different about these items that you can put them in a blue recycling bin and recycle them, or you can take them to a bottle depot and you can return them at a bottle depot. So you can return them at the bottle depot, and the perk of that is you can get some money back for taking them to the bottle depot to recycle. Now I'm going to read a story, and it's all about recycling. It's called Why Should I Recycle? By Mike Gordon. In my family, we recycle our garbage. We return things so they can be used again. We didn't always recycle. We used to throw everything away. On our way to school, we always passed Mr. Jones' house. Mr. Jones is our teacher. One day we saw him putting a special box with cans, bottles, and papers by the gate. "What are you doing?" I asked. "This box is for recycling. All these things are taken away and used again," said Mr. Jones. "What's recycling?" "I'll explain at school." In class, Mr. Jones asked us what we did with our trash. "We put it in the garbage can," I said. "It's just old garbage," said another child. Mr. Jones said garbage contained lots of useful things that can be recycled or used again. Why should I recycle? Mr. Jones took the class to a recycling center. It had separate containers for bottles, cans, plastics, clothes, and paper. "What do you think happens to all the glass that goes in here?" asked Mr. Jones. "I wonder what happens." "It all gets broken down to make new, shiny bottles." "And guess what happens to all the cans that go in here?" asked Mr. Jones. "They get melted down to make new metal things such as bikes and scooters." "Oh, wow." "And what about the paper and plastic that goes in here and here?" Mr. Jones asked. "The paper gets shredded and used to make new books and comics. All these things come from garbage we just throw away. This plastic can be used to make all kinds of things, including clothes. You might be wearing some," said Mr. Jones. "So why waste waste?" Most of the garbage we put in the trash can gets buried in dumps that spoil the countryside. It's good to recycle as much as you can, said Mr. Jones. So what else can we recycle? She thought. Clothes, books, and toys that you don't want can all be taken to the second-hand store, explained Mr. Jones. The food we buy at supermarkets comes in packages that we can often use again. Don't waste that, Mum. We could use that again. I told Mum and Dad about our trip to the recycling center. Now we buy recycled things at the stores. Recycled paper helps to save the trees. We always recycle the plastic bags too. Sometimes you can bring your own bags to the grocery store. Right now, though, with everything that's going on, it's better to use the ones that the store provides. We also recycle everything at home. Fruit and vegetable peelings get recycled on our new compost heap. The compost helps my mom's prized vegetables to grow. Now we recycle so much garbage, there's hardly any left to put in the can. Recycling is kind to nature. It saves money and it's fun. So, boys and girls, friends, think about the way that you can help keep our earth clean. And remember to throw your garbage in the garbage and anything that can go into the recycling bin. Let's do our part. Let's recycle. Have a great day, everyone.